I'm Philip Beyer. Thanks for stopping by. You know, many years ago, I had an epiphany that I should build a system for slobs. That was me before we systemized. You know, I took to heart that old adage that order should begin in your own house. Boy, did my house, my business need that. Because a business book I read shared a story about a certain hotel that had the most amazing service imaginable, and their use of systems to make it happen every day. Now, the book didn't give all the solutions for how to systemize a business, but it confirmed the absolute need of them and how they could work to achieve an expected end. Consequently, I set out to build systems for our business to achieve the same results like the hotel. Now, for context, I was a bit of a slob back then. My desk and office consequently looked like the aftermath of an EF5 tornado, and I had no clue how to keep it clean. Yep, I'm that guy who used to leave a trail of tools all over the house and yard when working on projects. The guy who had old Starbucks coffee cups and coffee stains in my SUV and other stuff piled up in the back seat. Well, you might even find a garden rake back there. You see, my car was my last holdout while going full throttle systemizing our business. I guess it helped to remind me I'm still all too human in case anyone suspected otherwise. Okay, now the reason I had to change my sloppy ways was it was hurting my business. I couldn't ask my employees to keep their work areas clean and neat when mine was piled with papers and other debris. In fact, my desk was so piled at times, I had no clear area to even work. I could have started company meetings back then by confessing, yes, my name is Philip Beyer and I'm a big fat slob. I was a poor example to others as I insisted that they keep their work area clean. I would get frustrated with employees when tools, worse, job orders were lost in our cluttered facility. Now, I remember asking a particular employee how they kept their desks so clean. You know, after hearing their answer, I said, "Now that's not going to work for me." You see, I recognized the order in that employee's work area. Unfortunately, I couldn't see past my own bad habits to learn good ones. I would come in on a Saturday and spend hours cleaning my office, grumbling about having to waste a day off. But unfortunately, by Tuesday the next week, it was right back to Chaosville. I finally realized if you want to have a clean and organized office and desk, it must be systemized. A cleaning system works the same way you use quality control and other control systems to fix all nonconformance in a company. You know, I go into great detail about that in my book, System Busters, How to Stop Them in Your Business. It tells how we implemented the 100% system of cleanliness in every area of our company, every office, every desk, every work area. You know, several years ago, I was honored to speak at a continual improvement conference. Now, while I was there, I was able to visit a Toyota manufacturing plant. I was amazed when the tour guide showed us how they had implemented a 5S program that focused on visual order, organization, cleanliness, and standardization. It was not only in the plant, but at every desk in the management areas. They had it systemized down to even the smallest details, just as we had done years earlier. They actually went a bit further, though, labeling and taping off squares on every desk to indicate, for example, where a stapler was to be kept when not in use. You see, Toyota workers often work in 3 shifts, and office workers may share a desk with 2 or more people. This ensures the next shift doesn't lose any time searching for anything. It works. Trust me, I know. Now, when people visited our former printing company after systemizing, some commented, Philip must be a clean freak. How is this place kept so clean? Obviously, they didn't know that without a system, I'm a slob. Ask my wife. And they never ridden in my unsystemized SUV to get a cup of Starbucks. Okay, now after reading the hotel story in that book I mentioned earlier, that was the moment that instantly prompted my entire vision for our company. What would a total systemized business look like? Furthermore, how would it function? And how would it affect customer service and, more importantly, profitability? In fact, I had never seen that level of order I envisioned in any small business like ours. But within not too many years, I watched that vision become a reality all around me. Systemization made all the difference. Oh, did I mention great systems work, even for slobs? They really do.
A mellow, my mellow, I ain't got you, but girl, I got your name. Haunting me and calling mellow, my mellow, the dusty prairie wind, I'm calling your name. Just a calling